3 minutes. It's actually pretty hard. 3 minutes, you want to bounce the basketball, right? Bounce the basketball. Now it's not rotating it like this. It's bouncing up and down. And it's not bouncing with your fingers, okay? It's bouncing with your palm. So when you're bouncing with your palm, it looks like this, right? You'll start noticing, oh man, my arm's getting sore, everything getting sore. That's good. That's exercising. You know, this is a simple exercise to rejuvenate your nervous system. Rejuvenate your nervous system for your whole body, right? So this is something we specialize in at Achieve Integrative Health. We are the #1 acupuncture clinic in Texas that specializes in acupuncture neurology. So we treat a lot of neurological problems, and this is just one thing that you can do at home. You can see how mine are different already, right? This is one exercise you can do at home to rehabilitate your nervous system, okay? So give this a try, 3 minutes every single day, okay? You can stand, shoulder width apart, knees bent, and just bounce like this. Bounce the basketball, okay? Do this and let me know how it works. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page where we will be putting on more of these instructional at-home videos to help you improve your health.
I had a problem in my elbow. I actually kind of tore some tendons and ligaments over my growth plate, and so I came here to help heal it up a little faster, and it helped a lot, so I would definitely recommend it.
Shoulder stiffness, you want to do the pendulum swing to loosen it up. This is commonly called a 50-year-old shoulder. So you don't have to be 50 years old to have this. But let's say you wake up and you can't lift your shoulder. It's like this is how much you can lift it, right? It's a shoulder stiffness, adhesive capsulitis. There's many words for these, but basically you can't move your shoulder, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to do a pendulum swing. So you're going to lean, okay, this is the shoulder, right? So you're going to let it just hang loose, relax. It should be like jelly. See, you should move it, it should be like jelly, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to start small. You're going to make these little circles like a pendulum swinging, right? And then you get bigger and bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger and bigger. See, that gravity helps loosen, opens up that capsule, the shoulder joint, and then by moving it, you're stretching the tendons and ligaments, you're improving blood circulation, and it makes it really loose. You're going to do this every single day for about a minute, okay? More advanced, you can add a weight to your hand, but if you're just starting off and you can't move your shoulder, all you want to do is just use the weight of your shoulder and just swing in a circle and get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Do this every single day. Let me know how it works. Make sure you follow me here on TikTok.